SLOTHMORE infrared lighting, heating up your feet while massaging your feet. A day after work, running, you're looking to massage your feet, we're going to show you what this product is all about. This is SLOTHMORE. We're going to unbox the units. A Shiatsu foot massager, not just for your feet, for your calves, arms, and more. The Shiatsu CO1025 comes with the remote control, a strap, remove the battery protector out, plug in the unit to 110 volts, and you're ready for use. With the handle 360 degrees that you simply rotate around by pressing in the side buttons to lock into place. On both sides, you press in and rotate to lock in. You can carry your unit. It is mid-weight. The cord can be placed on top for portability. Maintaining the unit, there is a zipper that you can unzipper the cloth, remove, and clean. You have material underneath as well with rubber on the sides and the Shiatsu ball with pins underneath. When plugging in a unit, you have a on light with two dashes always. We take in the handle and we're going to adjust to the height by lifting up on both. Locking into place. With the remote control, we hit the on button. At 15 P1, the machine starts to massage. This is just not a massager, it is a heater as well by hitting the heat button on the unit to heat on. We hand the remote control over for demonstrations. As you can see, the circulation going in clockwise fast, 15 minutes on P1. Pressing the buttons on the remote control. You have here is a mode, P2. It massages in the opposite way with the window. As you can see, the machine doing its job. Changing to the third mode. And pressing mode again for manual. It says it on the window, manual. And mode again back to P1. So we have three different modes with the manual. We have a speed. As you see, it slows down or speeds up by pressing. We have heating. It shows heating. We have a time. As you can see, the time counter increasing. And the bottom is your direction that reverses over, and everything is located in the manual of the window of the controls. As we press the direction, it stops and rotates. And then when you're all done, you can hit the off button or the remote control for off, and the machine will slowly stop. On the table, we're going to demonstrate how to do the arms. Each of the sides, they have a push button. Just simply push in to drop the handle. If you do one, the other side won't drop. So what you do is you're going to lift the machine up. While we're lifting the machine up, you'll notice that we have here are nice large rubber pads as well as areas to lock in your cable to wrap up for portability. So as the machine is set up for your arms, you simply place in after you turn the machine on. So place your hands on and the machine will do its massaging. Like we said, it has a number of P levels, 3 P levels, and a manual, and it has heating and more. To do your calves, you simply tilt the machine down, like so, and place in the handle the best you can for your calves. Grab your chair and place in your legs so you can massage and put it to the correct angle you need by maneuvering. Turn on the machine and the machine will start to work. From SLOTHMORE is your foot massager. It has the non-skid pads to handle with rubber, portable, easy to wrap up and take with you for massaging. With the cord easily wrapped underneath. Sitting down, exercising, or just massaging the feet, I wear size 12. I'm inside the machine and I hit the on. Ooh, and this thing is massaging away. And you feel the shiatsu balls moving around in the sides, giving you the massage while we set the machine pointing the remote down and turning the 2 heat zones on. Left goes first, right goes second. And we can simply hit the reverse rotation. It stops for 1 second and then reverses the massaging. And we could change the different massage levels by hitting the center button. Going to P2, it rotates around and we have P3. It gives a different type of massage. And then you just have the manual massage that just massage all around and then back to P1. So if you're looking for a massager, this machine may be something that you are looking for in your massaging needs.